Hey guys, I'm True T TJ. Thanks for tuning in and remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Hey guys, it's your girl True T TJ. If you're interested in learning how I got these jumbo twists installed by me, stay tuned and watch my video. Okay, for starters, we're going to be using Pre-Stretch Premium African braiding hair in 60 inches because I like my hair long. Long hair don't care over here. Ow. I'm going to be using a comb just to help me make my parts a little bit straighter. Large rubber bands for the method that I'm going to be using today in this video for my twist outs. A couple of clip-ins just to clip the extra hair out the way so, I can do my hair properly. And Organ All heat protection from Kiss. And here I am in this clip being a little bit silly because I'm so excited to show you guys the end results of my jumbo twist because I know they are going to be bomb. You feel me? Let's get into it. Okay, so I also forgot to tell you guys that I am going to be using Eco Styling Gel just to make my hair a little bit more slick. I'm also going to be using Cream of Nature with Organ Oil for perfect edges, especially in the front of my hair just to lay down my edges just a little bit better. And also I'm going to be using the Mane Choice hair dressing. I love this stuff. The Mane Choice hair dressing is like my holy grail. It makes my hair so soft. It makes my hair so shiny, and I just get so excited about using it. So this is me putting the Mane of Choice on my hair, just lathering up my hair, getting ready for my twist out because you got to prep your hair. Oh, and also I'm using a little bit of water, but I really don't use that much water because water will dry your hair out. So I'm just trying to keep moisture in my hair just so my twist can last long. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm doing right now. So here I will be using the rubber band method like I spoke about at the beginning of the video. And I'm just going to tie the rubber band towards the end of my hair just because I tried it with my crocheting needle and it really wasn't working. So I found this other way of crocheting the hair into my hair, if that makes sense, I guess, or whatever. But yeah, so stay tuned and see how I do that. So once you get all the way to the ends, it's totally up to you guys if you want to continue to twist all the way down or if you want to stop close towards the end and make like a knot just for better hold. I feel like making a knot at the end will be better. But in some of my twists, since I was doing it so fast, I was trying to hurry up. So I wasn't really making a knot, but I went back in and I made knots at the end of my hair for better hold. So I encourage you guys to do that. Yes, that is P at the back, all in my face, all the time, every day. That's my girlfriend. And now we're dancing. I can't do my hair because she likes to do this all the time, be in my face. So this is another way to install your jumbo twist. What I did was part my hair into the square and then I just used my finger and made a part between my hair And then on one end of the hair, I'm going to grab it with my left hand, and on the other end, I'll grab it with my right hand. And then basically what I'm going to do is just twist the hair into each other to make my twist out. I can honestly say that this method was a little bit difficult than the rubber band method, but I want to give you guys a variety. So if you like it this way and it's better for you guys, I say go ahead and try it. But in my opinion, the rubber band method was much easier and I felt like it lasts a little bit longer. But, I just wanted to give you guys a different way to do your jumbo twist out, okay? So you just choose whichever method you like and just go from there. Okay, you guys, so I have showed you two different ways you can install your jumbo twist. So right now, I'm just go ahead and finish my jumbo twist and I'll show you guys my end results. Okay, you guys, so this is my end results to my jumbo twist out. I can honestly say it took me a little bit longer than 2 hours to do this hair. Probably because I was stopping a lot and doing other stuff, but I'll say altogether it took me almost like 3 hours. But this is the shortest time length hairstyle that I've ever done in my entire life. Most of the time it takes me like, if not all day, like probably like 5 hours just to do my hair, and that's with everything included. But yeah, this is the end result, you guys. I love this hair. It is super light. I like it. It is super long as well. Like it's all the way down here to my butt, so it's pretty long. But yeah, I like this hair. I'm excited with the results. I'm excited about how it turned out, and I will definitely be doing this style again. I think next time I want to put like some more color to it, do something different, because I'm always doing like natural color hair, like my natural color, like a black color hair. So next time I am going to try like some blondes or some brown. I really want to try like a red color or maybe a purple, because purple is my favorite color, but who knows? We gonna see. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my final results. Let y'all see my beautiful twisties. I am so in love with them. And yeah, until next time, you guys. Bye.